So we're gonna add to this. Look, damn it. We're gonna react to this video with Chris and Pops. It says, "What would you do if your girl fell off the boat with sharks?" Yeah, that shit already sounds stupid, bruh. So yeah, let's get into this.
YouTube chat now.
No, I ain't say that.
They can say right here.
What it say?
Something about the YouTube chat they finna start taking now.
You a goddamn lie. I read the motherfucker, nigga.
Nah, we done now, daddy. We can't YouTube chat, daddy. We dead.
Where it say that? Where
We
it say?
dead.
Where it say that? Show me where it say that.
You goddamn paper, man.
You stupid motherfucker. Get the fuck away from me.
Let me ask you a question, daddy.
This nigga say, "Get the fuck away from me."
Bullshit. Leave me and don't touch me.
I
What?
can touch you. That's my soda.
Nigga, I just brought this shit in here, nigga. You better get the
Alright.
fuck away from me.
All right. If me and you on a boat,
Pops
right?
ain't playing.
And your girl on a boat, and we hit one of them waves, and she fall off the boat and hit the water, but there's sharks over there and shit. You gonna jump in the water and save her?
No.
So what you gonna tell me?
What the fuck you think I'm gonna do? Somebody better throw a life vest, cause I ain't jumping up in
But that's
this
your
motherfucker.
girl though.
So what, Kristen?
What the fuck you mean? That's your girl. You ain't gonna save your girl? Huh? All right, how about that with your grandbaby?
He already look like he bothered by that shit.
What happens is a great white shark in the water though, daddy.
Great way. Why you asking me these dumb ass
I'm
questions?
saying, you gonna jump in the water?
You know, goddamn well I ain't gonna jump in no motherfucking ocean.
But for your grandbaby?
What the fuck she falling in there for anyhow? You
saying-
fucking taking care of her,
I'm
motherfucker.
saying the boat hit the wave, she fell off the boat. I'm not going in that water.
All right then, you ain't going in, I ain't going in.
No, but that's your grandbaby. You gotta go in
So
there.
what the fuck you talking about? I got to go in. I ain't got to do it. Motherfucker will stay black and die, man. What the fuck you talking
No,
about?
it's
Nigga said for the
That shit,
grandbabies,
man.
you ain't gonna jump in
I'll
there.
beat your ass right now. Call the God name right now in vain. What's that? Give me your
Christian, I
ass.
will fuck you up, Christian. Don't make me fuck you up, and then I want you to post that on YouTube.
But my foot in your ass.
Motherfucker, when I fuck you up. Man, go on, never.
All right, you got a mean break. All right, then, chill out.
Bro, retarded. This nigga said, I think he was just throwing out all types of scenarios to get him to say that he would jump in the water. But yeah, that's the end of this reaction video. If you want me to do some more reactions, comment down below, like and subscribe. And we out here.